Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Today we have a buttermilk donut trailer, a scratch-made donut trailer that we are shipping. It's very small, but it's pretty awesome. Let me show you around its many features. It is, of course, a 12-foot kitchen. It has a generator on this side. As with all our trailers, it has a generator box. It has a generator inside which you can pull out and access. Of course, it can be secured. That's the hood fan on top. Oh, check out the graphics before that. Of course, it communicates everything. Double axle trailer, of course. And as with all our trailers, this one too is seamless. Seamless in that there are no rivets holding the panels together, basically. Barn door in the back. It's of course the service window. It's actually locked right now. Probably can open it just like, I have to push it down. Well, let me show you from the inside. Before I do that, here is the LP cage where they store the propane, which are two 40-pound tanks. As you can see, the propane lines go under the floor of the trailer. The idea is that if it leaks outside. LED lamps on the outside as well. And of course, the propane cage itself is made of expanded metal. So in case there is any propane that leaks, it's not going to pool inside and cause an explosion. Shore power connection that I forgot to show you earlier. That's how you would drain the water, and that's how you would fill the water. Let's go inside. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. You can see the ABC fire extinguisher. Sorry, that was the K fire extinguisher and the ABC fire extinguisher. Self-closing windows as required by code. The idea is you lift up, you pass your product, closes by itself. Keeps all the bugs out. All our wiring, as always, is through conduits. So any piece of the equipment were to fail, it's not going to take out anything else. They're all home runs, as we say. Every piece of equipment is mounted to the floor with washers, so nothing's going to shake loose during transport. There is the electrical box. You can see it's all labeled. There's an air conditioner as well, two LED lights on the inside as well, of course. And that is the heart of the operation, which is a Lil Orbits donut machine. This one is propane. You can see a little bit of care that we take in all of these things. This is a stainless steel table in which this is mounted onto, but there's a grommet here preventing any damage to the gas lines or the electrical lines. Stainless steel cooking wall. As with all our trailers, between every panel there is a trim piece. This prevents any grease from leaking inside and then, over time causing a smell. Fire suppression system. Little freezer, under-counter freezer that is. Coffee machine, that's a drip coffee machine, and a little boiler because they also wanted to sell some hot chocolate. 3-compartment sink and hand wash sink. Hand wash sink, of course, has a splash guard. Towel, soap dispensers. Of course, inside the trailer is, inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation and 9/16 inch of plywood. Makes it a very comfortable place to work in, and overall keeps it very nice and comfortable. There is no wiring inside the walls. All the wiring is in conduits. So when the trailer goes down the road, it's not going to chafe the wiring and cause any electrical issues over time. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful trailer. If you have any questions or if you would like something like this yourself, do contact us through our website, zion foodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.